How to get Unban an 8-ball pool. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and figure out why Miniclip ban accounts for using mods, cheating, coin transfer, or violating terms of services. So if you think it was unfair, you've got to start. So you want to go ahead and open any browser, and then in the search bar you want to go ahead and search for support.miniclip.com. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and scroll below, then tap on technical help and troubleshooting. Just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on submit a ticket, and then be honest and polite and provide your player ID, and you can find it from your friend's game or connected email. You can also email them at support@mini.com. Write a short appeal about your account being banned. Once sent, wait for 3 or 7 days. Don't create multiple tickets, they might ignore you, and don't use another banned device or mode app in the meantime. If it was a soft ban, you might be unbanned automatically in a few days. If it's permanent, you'll get an email saying so. And that's all it takes to get unbanned an 8-ball pool. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.